大家好，我是相夫昭，我来自中国。
My name is Nobuhito Kubo. I'm from Japan.
This is An, the first finisher of the UTMB in South Korea.
Hello， 大家好，我是申嘉生，我来自云南。
Hello, Namaste. I'm Sunmaya Buddha. I'm from Nepal.
！Allez, c'est parti pour la première vague. La vague est de 22 heures. The wave of less 2 hours of race.
我今年结婚，正好和我老公来跑UTMB， 真期待。
We're on the Place de Triangle, which is the start and finish of the pinnacle of trail running UTMB, Ultra Trail Mont Blanc. It's really the dream of each trail runner to come here to this place. It's give goosebumps actually just to be here when you are on the start. And all the Asian trail runners have this ultimate goal to do once in a lifetime. The Ultra Trail Mont Blanc is very different from what we see in Asia. So you run around the highest mountain in the Alps and you have very big climbs, over 1,000 meters most of them, which is something very unique compared to Asia. So they want to experience this new environment with the stunning mountains, running through the night, no matter how fast you are, experiencing the cold weather. This year was really exceptional with the number of elite runners coming from Asia, but also regular runners that has only one dream: to come here once in a lifetime, to complete the loop around the Mont Blanc and succeed in crossing the finish line. We had several Asian runners finishing on the podium in their categories or even on the top 10 overall, which is a real accomplishment for Asia.
I got the second place, CCC, and I feel so happy. I want to run next year already.
虽然说就是在过程当中是无数次的想退赛，跑的真的是太累了，全身肌肉。 大小腿不说，连肚皮都痛。但是给大家一个忠告，就是在没有充分的训练、足够的大上坡和大下坡的时候，千万不要来跑欧洲的山，不然到时候就像我一样。
但今年已经进步了挺多了，进步了将近2个小时吧。对，我已经满足了。 对，一点点的进步嘛，明年能来的话肯定会来。
昨天也是顺利完成了今年 UTMB CCC 组的比赛，然后昨天是顺利完赛，并且取得第4名的成绩，然后这个成绩比我疫区计划的成绩快了40分钟，半个小时，然后感觉非常的酣畅淋漓跑的，然后今年的比赛非常的激烈。 高手特别的多，我整体是按自己的节奏在跑，也是一直在执行自己的计划，跑得非常舒服。明年我一直在考虑明年要不要跑 UTMB。
All the runners crossing the finish lines have a feeling of accomplishments and bring back fantastic memories to Asia to share with their bodies that will for sure come in the following years to experience the same dream.